Hi everyone, this is Elsie. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make personalized Christmas gift tags. It is nice to add a little gift tag on each gift so you won't mix them up and show that you have thought about the person. If you have not subscribed my channel or liked this video, do it now. If you're ready for this tutorial, let's get started. The design that I'm using today is the snowflake version from my ornament gift tags bundle. You click on the text button and select the font that you want to use for the name. The font that I'm using today is called Alana. It's a script font with swashes, and I'll put the link in the description box below if you want to download it for free. To use swashes, you can use an app called Unicode. It costs 99 cents from the App Store. I will also put the link in the description. In the Unicode app, you click on Browse Fonts, then select Alana. The name that I'm using today is Charlotte, so I'm looking for capital C. Then click the arrow at the top right corner. Then select Share Glyph, Copy. You can now go back to Cricut Design Space. Go to the text box, then you press Paste. You can now finish typing the name Charlotte. So let me move the name and the tag so you can see better. The next step is go to Actions, Ungroup. You can now start moving each letter closer together. When you are done, select the whole name and click Group. We need to rotate the name by using this rotating handle and also change the font size. If you're happy with the name placement, you select the tag and the name, go to Actions, and click Weld. I now just need to change the tag size before sending it to the machine. That's it. Thank you so much for crafting with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye!